Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is name this game. And we're going to get rid of our sprite. So I'm going to draw my own little amoeba. You can pick any colour you want. So I think we'll just get the paintbrush. This again is the centre of the costume, so it's just going to be a little single cell amoeba. I can fill in the centre. Okay, it's actually a little bit big. So what I can do is I can actually change the size here, maybe make it 80% of that size, maybe even smaller. Oh yeah, is that the right size? Oh, let's get our scratch moving. When the green flag is clicked, and you'll remember this from your previous assignment, we are going to if. So try and do this on your own without watching this one so that you know how to do it for next time. Pause the video and give it a go, and then you can just skip by this bit if you know how to do it. So we want to move. And remember, we're changing the X or the Y. When we're using the Y. And go 5. Right click, duplicate. Remember, the ifs all have to be in line. You can't have an if. Don't put an if statement within an if statement, because that will not work. Obviously, because this is the horizontal axis, we need to use the X. If it's going left, it's going -5. And if it's going right, oh, I almost took the set. And obviously we need to attach that. Remember, if I press a green flag and it just flashes, I need to put my forever loop around it. So up the top, make sure it's hugging the whole lot, make sure everything's in there. And now I can move up, down, left, right. Oh, there's a mistake. Up, down, left, and right. Okay, so that's the starting code. Now we need our other little amoebas that we're going to eat. Sorry, did not mean to click on that. Hover your mouse, click this. So we just want a little amoeba to eat. And again, you can choose whatever colour you want. I'm going to keep this little one quite simple. Okay, it's a little bit too big again. So let's say I'm actually going to make it 50%. So this is the one that we want to eat because it's smaller. This one is just going to move by itself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get it, when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to get it to pick a random direction. So point and direction. We're going to use random. So see here, pick random. And if you think about it, it could be anywhere from 0 degrees up to 360 degrees, which means that it'll pick any direction on there. And then what I want it to do is move, but I want it to move forever. And I have one more thing I want to do. If it hits the edge, I want it to bounce. So if on edge, bounce. I'm going to plug this in. So you'll see the pointing directions on its own. So at the very beginning of the game, it's just going to pick a direction, and then forever, it is just going to move 10 steps. And if it's on the edge, it's going to bounce. Okay, now I think 10 maybe is a bit fast. I'm going to make it faster than this guy here to make the game a little bit harder. But generally, it's just going to move around. And that's the start of my game.